So today we're going to be talking about the SoFi Money debit card that you get for having a SoFi Money account. We're going to talk about some of the benefits from this card that you actually get and also my experience with using it. Now, when it comes to having this card, this is a free debit card that you have for opening up your SoFi Money account. Now, if you're somebody who has yet to open up your account, I will have a link for you in the show notes down below. They typically have a really cool bonus when you sign up and deposit a certain amount, which you get that bonus, and it also does help support out the channel. Now, the debit card itself is actually a white card right over here. You can see it does actually have a microchip on it as well too. Let me see if I can get it close enough to the screen here so it kind of focuses in on that. And then it also is a MasterCard. So this pretty much works anywhere MasterCard is accepted, which is really cool. So you can use this online or anywhere else that, again, MasterCard is accepted. Now, the money that is being used from this card is whatever's available in your cash balance. Now, if you don't have anything in your balance, your card will be declined. So definitely keep that in mind. It doesn't pull from any other account that you have on file. Now, one of the really nice things is all your private information is actually on the back of the cards as well. So it kind of keeps everything a little bit more secure when it comes to your personal information and your card number. Now, one of the things that I love most about this card is actually what you're able to do on the app itself for the card, which we have right over here, as you can see this whole time. You can see a little kind of dangling thing out on the side of this app where it kind of looks like the card itself. If you tap on that, this will actually take you to your debit card, and you can actually freeze your debit card at any given time. So whether you lose the card or maybe you just don't want to have it active for any certain reason, you can go ahead and just toggle onto that right over here. It goes ahead and locks up your card. Easy peasy, you don't have to worry about it. You can go ahead and also add it to your Apple Wallet or your Google Pay if you have an Android. Now, the really nice thing as well too is you can reset your PIN directly from your phone app if you wanted to, and then you can also report it damaged, lost, or even stolen. And then if you want to go ahead and just unfreeze the card, just go ahead and tap it over and bam. You've unfreezed your card and able to use it once again. Now, one of the other cool features that this debit card has is also their offer section. So if you're on the app as well, you can go ahead and click on the offer section and see the different discounts you can get for using this card in your local area. So you can go ahead and see right over here, we got a couple different places that we can go ahead and utilize. We also have very popular chains like Jack in the Box that you can go ahead and use. So you can go ahead and click on claim, and then if you go to those places, you get whatever discount you get right away back onto your card. So if it says something like right here with Savers, it says 25% cash back. You get that money right back into your account after you spend the initial amount. Now, I want you to keep on learning more with how to utilize SoFi Money. So check out my video right over here to keep on learning. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.